Let me know if you can see my skin. Can you see my skin, right? So there are totally three global data types. One is the data element type, other one is structure type, other one is table type. You see my skin, right? Voice clear, right? Global data types. Okay. This is three types. One is data element. What is the purpose of data element? Other one is structure type. The correct terminology is structure type, not a structure generally. STRU. It becomes structure once you use it. Structure. I'm sorry. Next to table type. The table type. Listen, this very, very important concept in the web. Every day you see this. It's the table type. What the purpose of data element? We have done so many classes, right? What the purpose of the data element? To define the data type to the table fields. And also you can declare the variables in the programs also. This is purpose is to declare ABAP variable. One second. Okay. Right here to declare variable in ABAP program also in addition to the tables. This is one concept. Okay. This one is purpose is to declare, right? To give a group of fields in the table, and also we can use it. In a web program. To declare, to mm, to define structure that can hold one record in the runtime of our program. Okay. Also, we can declare internal table. Also, we can declare internal table in a ABAP program using this to hold more than one record in the runtime of ABAP program. This is the purpose. Table type is to declare the internal table directly. This data type will use for defining the internal table in ABAP programs. Okay, this is what we are doing. So we'll do it once again. The other one. Instead of more one I had done, right? One more will do. Um, Go to S11. Okay. S11. Let's go to Pad ready button. Is my voice clear to you all? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Clear, right? Okay. Go to here S11. Do it parallel with me. Okay, what we do is we create one sales order related data. Okay, na? So give Z, say BBAK sales header, sales header data. You can give your own name here. Click on create, right? Choose the second option here, structure type, enter. Give here as sales document. Okay, save it. You can save it first in the package. If you don't have package, you can store here, local object. What is the advantage? I mean, sorry, not advantage. Yeah. What is the difference if you save in the package or if you save in the local object? What is the difference mainly? This is all simple interview questions they will ask. So what will happen if you save here instead of here? If you don't click this, if you click on local object, what will happen? It will be local in the system, right? So we cannot move this from one system to other system. That's the concept here. For that reason. Now, what is this one? Anyone can tell me why this pop-up has come? Why this pop-up? What is pop-up concept?
It is for the transport request.
Correct. So that you can move your structure from one system to other system, development to quality, and then to production. Okay. What are the two options here? Whether you can save it in the same transport, or if you click this button, what will happen? It creates one more new transport request, right? Press enter. Save it now. Right here, right? Field names you copy paste from the VBAK table. Open VBAK table parallelly. I'll just wait for you. Open VBAK table parallelly in S11. Tell me one by one the fields. First 5 fields you tell me. I'm simulating, as I said, right? I'm simulating the environment of real-time project. What do you do multiple things at the same time? You are going to create, you are going to see the table parallelly. So dynamism required in the industry. Open the table VBAK in S11 display mode. Go to /o S11 display mode VBAK display. Table name is VBAK display. Tell me first 5 fields from the order.
MANDT.
Actually, as I said earlier, right, MAND is not required, right? Why? Because
VBELN.
correct. So why MAND is not required is we don't store the data here in the runtime. Sorry, in the permanent data for that reason. Okay.
Mm.
What the first field? Next field after MAND?
VBELN.
Correct. What is the meaning of VBLN? See right side short description. It will tell you what is the meaning of VBLN. What is that?
Sales document.
Number, right?
Yeah.
Yes. What is the data element for that?
Character.
No. Name of the data element.
VBELN
Correct.
underscore VEA.
Perfect. Very good. Do it parallel with me. That's all. Now what you are giving the data type to the structure field. Same as table, but this is structure. Tell me next field. Tell me the next field.
ERDAT.
I think that is the date field. Date
Yes.
not required now. You tell me one more field after that.
Entry time, sir.
Not required. Take one more field.
Uh,
Next field.
ERNAM.
That also not required. That is created by day to
Um,
time on. Next after that,
ANGDT.
what is that? A.
N
That is
G.
also date field, right?
Inquiry is valid form.
Date, right? Check it right side description. What is that? Is the date
Yeah,
data type?
it is date. Date.
Take one more field, not that field.
Mm,
In the same
VB
month. Hmm.
VBTYP.
Perfect. Very good. Now what are the data elements for that?
VBTYPL.
Underscore L or L?
No, only L. Next.
UBTYPL. L.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Next to
Good,
PL.
good. Very good. What is the next one? After this field, tell me two more fields.
TRVOG.
TRVOG. What is TRVOG? Is the short description. You should understand.
Transaction group.
Very good. Very good. What is the data element? Here, this is the
Same,
data.
sir.
Same, huh?
Same. Yeah.
TRVOG. Next, tell me one more thing.
AU
DAT, na?
AUVART. Sorry, AUART.
What is the data element name?
Um,
Same, huh?
Transaction group.
Name, data element name.
Sales. Same, sir.
Same, okay. Save it now. That will be enough 4 pins. Check syntax. Do it parallel with me. Do syntax check. Activation. Done. No, right? You can't insert the data because this is not a data placeholder in the runtime in the database. So it stores data only in the runtime. You created this one now. How to use this one is any doubts here? How to create this one? Okay. Now we are going to use this in the program. Next step is go to SC38. All of you go to SC38. Where do we create a program? Which transaction code we use to create a program? SC38. Okay, what a time now? 10:33. Let us target 10:45 should complete this two both. Okay. Be fast. Alert concentration all is required. Right, go to here. Right, and this is the name of the structure. Go to SC38. Okay, ZMAH underscore search of usage. It's use. Use of search type. Then you can go here. If you want, you can do the date also. Click on create. It must start with Z or Y programs. Click on create. Give the title. Title is demo of usage of search. Click on type as executable. Save it. Save it. Enter. You'll get this ABAP editor. You are there, all of you? Anyone stuck up, you share the screen, I'll guide you, no problem. Right. So next step is how to use this that structure type. Go to here, click on data, give the data statement. Type, copy paste the structure type here. And go to here. Copy paste the name of the structure type here. Data is statement to declare the we call as data objects, which will store the data in the runtime. To declare a variable, to declare an internal table, to declare a work area. Now we are declaring work area. Work area purpose is to store single record. This is the declaration of work area. Nothing but structure, which will store one record in the runtime of a BAP program. Is the definition. Clear? Any doubt? Next step is how to assign the data. Different ways you can assign the data. Assigning the data to the work area. Nothing but structure. In this terminology, we don't call much structure, we call as work area. Select single, right? VBLN. What is the second field name? Can you tell me one by one the field names in the same order? Next, what I said single VBLN. What is second field? BBTVP. Right, BBTYP. Next, third field. ERBOG AURT. ERBOG, right? TRVOG AURT. AURT from, right, VBAK into carry underscore VBA. This is syntax. Below select statement will bring one record from the database into work area. Then this data will use wait statement, right? Right? Work area underscore VBAK hyphen VBELN. Okay, 30 position. Work area underscore VBAK hyphen VBTYP. Right? Maybe 40 position. Work area underscore VBAK hyphen TRVOG. And maybe 50 position. Work area underscore VBAK hyphen AURT. Save this. Line number 17, how many records to print? I'll wait. Line number 13, how many records will bring? 13. 17 is, what is that going? We are accessing the field here, hyphen here. Hyphen means we are accessing the fields. What is that 30, 40, 50? Anyone can tell, Ping can tell me? Or you can execute to see the output also. Is one record or how many records you are printing output? Hello? Any questions here? Okay, next table type, right? So table type, what you should do? Go back here, S11. You can copy this one. Back. You can give same name, you can give underscore TT. Not mandatory TT, but easy to identify. You should practice this way only. TT is table type. Click on create. Okay, now you choose the table type here. Table type here. Here is source order details. Right? You copy paste the line type. Line type means structure type. So this is structure type. Line type means. Line type is structure type. This is line type. Line type means structure type. Okay. Next, how do you use this one is copy this one. Maybe AK underscore ST underscore T. Data type. Copy this. Go to here. Declare one more internal table here. Declaration. The colon is the continuation statement. Give comma. Enter. YT underscore VBAK. Type table type. YT underscore VBAK becomes internal table, which will store more than one record in the runtime of ABAP program. Save this one. Check syntax. Think of what could be the reason this error. See, it is showing the error. I give this name correct only. Okay. But it's showing the error is unknown. Think 1 minute. What could be the reason? Why this error is coming? Because I'm not activated here. And that is the reason. Right? Check syntax. Enter. Activate here. Done. Okay. Now how to use this one? You can get more than one record here. You can write select same values into table AT underscore VBA. I can go up to 100 rows. Now 100 rows will come here. Up to 100 rows. If you want to print this, we should use the loop. We have to use the loop statement to print more than one record. To print more than one record from the internal table, we should use loop statement. Right? Loop at it underscore VBAK into or carry underscore VBAK voice statement or carry underscore VBAK hyphen same fields. The same statement you can continue here. Control C. It's a loop for printing and loop. Check syntax. Activate. Execute. Okay, first it will print one record, then the remaining records from the internal table. If you want, you can give the heading here. Skip means space. Void statement. Below data is from internal table. Here you can write below data is from work area. Skip means blank space. With bullets. Check syntax. Line number 27. Colon. Slash is new line character. Activate. Execute. See, this is first record under records here. Below data is from internal table. Internal table. If you want to give skip. Skip 2 lines. Check syntax. Activate.
Sir,
Yes, can ask me.
what does the 30, 40, 50 mean in the program?
That is the space from left side output. This 30, 40, this one right here. From left side, I'll show you. Execute. The space from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, like that. That space. From left side, the alignment. You can increase this space. Then you can see how the impact. Right here. You can make it 100, for example. Give 100. It go a little bit very far away. Activate. See, it went 100 characters. 100 from left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll give 5, 10 minutes time. You can do one more task similar like this. Okay. With VBAP. Do it quickly now in the class only. What you should do is from VBAP. Okay. Go to VBAP. Which field you should take is you should take the field name, sir. VBELN, VBELP, okay, MATNR, okay. Check it what fields are there in VBAP. Go to here, SC11, database table, go to VBAP, click on display. Right, VBLN, by Postner, Matner, MATKL, VBLN, Postner, MATNR, MATKL, right? MATKL, MATKL. Okay. Task is create a structure type and a table type in SC11 with the above fields. Okay, and use it in the ABAP program. Use it in ABAP program and get one recorder into the work area and 50 records from BBAP table and display using loop statement. This is a task. Clear? Task clear? Same what we have done. Only the table is different. Zoom chart will also I'll put here. Okay, no? So I'll give some time. 20 minutes I'll give. Now 11 o'clock till 11:20. It's not 20 minutes I'll give time. Okay. Done? Hello? Any questions? Anyone stuck up? Hello? You can ask me, no problem, I'll guide you. Okay. So let's move on. I hope you have done. Okay. So next topic is we go for the views in the C11 now. But if you go to here, right? We have done this data types on the table. We'll go to the view. What is the purpose of views? You might come across views already, right? CS background people. What could be the concept of views? Views. Do you see my screen? Right? Views. Anyone can tell me what the views concept? How it differs to tables? It's the view. View is group of tables, right? Data will store only in the runtime. Group of tables, data will not be stored permanently. Data will not be stored permanently here. It is a virtual table. It is a virtual table. A virtual table. Okay. So there are four types of views in ABAP. One is database view. Second one is projection view. Third one is maintenance view. Fourth one is help view. Okay. Let's do one by one. Help view. So help view will do first one help view. Okay. To join more than one tables, go to here. Do it parallel with me. Right? Go to view name here. ZMH underscore database view. Database view. June. Click on create. Choose your database view. Database view. So you can give the table names here. Okay. Suppose if you give Mora and MARC tables, it gives the linkage between these two tables. You can choose relationships. So these many fields are relationship with this Mara table and Marcy. Okay. Suppose you choose here first field now. Right? MATNR field. You are comparing with MATNR of Mara table, MARC table. Then the output fields you can choose which fields you want to see in the output. Go to here, go to table fields, go to Mara. Right? You can choose which fields. Choose first primary key fields. Client field, material number, you created or no, material group, industry sector, material group, material type, industry sector, material group. Anything you can choose randomly, I'm choosing. Copy here. This field has come as structure of the database. Save it. Next, go to table fields. Take from the second table here. So you don't need first field because you have taken already. Take the remaining fields. Works. Works means plan to. Always you should remember both. This works means field. Field, what the field description. Okay. Next, valuation category. Okay. Purchasing group. Okay. MRP type. Valuation category. Enter. Copy. Save it. Check syntax. Hit warning. This is a warning. You can move on. Read only access. Maintenance is not possible. Go to here. Go to maintenance status. Choose only the display because database view you cannot insert the data. Save it. Check syntax. Right. This is only warning. You can do it. Replacement object. Activate now. Done now. View is done. Warnings. You can see the data now here. Go to contents. See the records. This is the data common in both tables, Mara and Marcy. How many records are there? Back. Number of entries says 4290. So if you want to put any condition, you can put here. Go to here, you can put a condition here. For example, you want to print only based on Mara table, material type. Okay. So Mara table, open. What the material type? S11. Go to Mara table. Material type here, right? Material type FERT. FERT means finished material type here. You can check it here. FERT. So these materials only will come. If what is FERT means, you can find here. Double click here and go to material type. Search here. Right here, FERT. What is FERT here? Finished product here. So you can go this condition here. Go to here. View. Go here as FERT. Save it now. Syntax. Operator should give operator here. Equal to. Check syntax. Right? Only that warning. Replacement object. Activate. Now think 1 minute. If I execute, what will be the output? What materials will come? You are joining Mora and MARC. Okay, you are putting a condition. What is MTIT means material type. What will be the output? How the data will filtered? Hello? If I execute, it will filter the data, right? Material type only FERT will come. Activate. See the data. Right? Data also you see only the material type FERT here. See material type only FERT. We don't see any other material types because we have given that condition. You can know how to use this in ABAP program, right? You can use this database view in ABAP program to get the data. See, the same program will go here. Or if you want, I can write a new program. Go back. You can write here Z MAH database view. Okay. Usage. So June. Click on create. Database view. Usage. Type. Executable. Save it. Save it here. Save it here. Right? You can declare an internal table. IT underscore Mara underscore MARC here. Type table of, this is syntax to declare the internal table. Declaring internal table. Select star. What is the meaning of star? Hello? So all the data will come from database table to your internal table. And put into internal table. Into internal table. Now, if you want to display the data, same procedure. Go to here, loop at IT underscore Mara into work area underscore Mara. Okay. Wait statement. Fields. Whatever the fields are there. Right. 40 position. I'll take it till 12 o'clock class today. Okay, na? Underscore Mara. -MTRT. Right. 40 position. And maybe 50 position. Work area underscore Mara underscore Marcy. Works. And loop. Same as like previous case. You are just looping and printing here. Check syntax. Look at the syntax error. Data statement. Now you should tell me why this error is coming. I hope you are all able to hear my voice clear or any problem with my voice clarity. Hello?
Your voice is clear, sir.
Okay. You want this code, I can copy paste this code. But if you are in the other system, right? Savani and Sarah, you are in the other system. So you will not have this one. You should create how I created here. How I created here, you have to create here. Database view. Join condition. View fields. Output fields. Here I have applied the condition in the output. Output. Think of what could be the mistake here. So what could be the reason of this error? See, the error it is showing very clearly, right? IT underscore Mara underscore Marcy, right? Mismatch. Mara underscore Marcy. Hello? Hello? Hello, namaste. తెలుసు నాకు వాయిస్ తెలుసు నాకు పేరు ఏముంది తెలుస్తుంది ఫ్రెషర్ అందరూ ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను నేను సీరియస్గా ఎవరు మనకి డైరెక్ట్ దొరకట్లే వీళ్ళు అప్లై చేస్తున్నారా లేదా ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ ఇప్పుడు చాలా వస్తున్నాయి కదా ఇక్కడ లింక్డ్ఇన్లో లింక్డ్ఇన్లో వీళ్ళు అప్లై చేస్తున్నారా లేదా నాకు చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు అప్పుడు మీకు ఉన్నారు నా దగ్గర కావాలి కావాలి జాబ్ అని ఇప్పుడు నాకు పెద్ద బిల్ అవుతుంది వాళ్ళ వల్ల సో నేను అడిగేది ఏంటంటే జాబ్ కావాలి కరెక్టే మీరు ట్రై చేస్తున్నారా లేదా అప్లై చేస్తున్నారా ఇంటర్వ్యూ అటెండ్ అవుతున్నారా ఎక్కడైనా కాల్స్ వస్తున్నాయా లేదా లింక్డ్ఇన్లో ఈ క్వశ్చన్ అడగండి ఎందుకంటే చాలా ట్రై చేస్తున్నారు కరెక్ట్ సపోజ్ ఒకటి రెండు ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ వచ్చాయనుకోండి ఇంటర్వ్యూస్లో ఏం అడిగారు ఎక్కడ ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది అది మనం రీచ్ కావాలి వాళ్ళు అది రీచ్ అవుతే మనం గైడ్ చేస్తాం మన దగ్గర ఎక్స్పర్ట్స్ ఉన్నారు అర్థమైంది అలా అలా గైడ్ చేయాలని ఏంటంటే మొత్తం ఎస్ఐపి తీసుకోవాల్సిన ట్రైనింగ్ మనకి. ఆ, ఆ. అది మంచిది కానీ దానికి కూడా అంటే కష్టపడాలి కాకపోతే మనకి నెట్వర్క్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఎక్కువ సీరియస్గా మనకి స్కోప్ ఉంటుంది అది మన అంటే మన నెట్వర్క్ ఉంది ఇది. అట్లా ఎవరన్నా ఉంటే ఒకవేళ చెప్పు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటేనా వాళ్ళు ఒక కొన్ని క్లాస్ అటెండ్ కమ్మని చెప్పు మనకి తర్వాత వాళ్ళకి ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంది బాగానే ఉంది అంటే అప్పుడు కంటిన్యూ అవ్వచ్చు ABAP అయితే బెటర్ ఫ్రెషర్స్ ABAP అయితే నేను ఇస్తున్నారు. సో పూల్ సజెస్ట్ చేయి, వాళ్ళు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంది జాయిన్ అయ్యి అప్పుడు ఓకే అంటే అప్పుడు మళ్ళీ థింక్ చేయొచ్చు. ప్యారల్గా 2 ట్రై చేసుకోవచ్చు మనం. నా దగ్గర ఉన్నారు పాపం ఉన్నారు ఫ్రెషర్స్. కింద the name mismatch. Now check syntax here. Yeah, this is also we are not declared. That's why we have to declare here. Go to here. This is syntax type table of to declare the internal table. But area underscore Mara underscore MARC type this type. Now this becomes our area to store one record in the runtime. Sorry. Type check syntax here. Activate. How it works is I put a breakpoint. I'll put a breakpoint. I'll show you the runtime. Stop. Execute. Right. Control is line number 14 here. Insert single step here. Okay. So you got the data. How many data? 646 records has come here. This is the data. I double click here. This is the records. This is the field names here. Right. Loop that and print it. How many times the loop will execute? How many records are there? That many times the loop will execute here. This is the data. Question? Any questions here? Hello?
No, sir.
Any questions? Clear? Concept clear? This one real-time projects not much we use because now the concept has come the CDS view, but just to understood the data. You can join the tables, multiple tables at a time, and then you can get in the runtime. Performance wise, this is a better. Okay, for more documentation, you can go through here. Okay, I think I given already in the last class. You can see here what the meaning of views. Or better documentation, no? This is previous version will be better. I already given the link last session, right? If you go to here, here. Are you going through it or not? Here you can find all very detailed here. SAP library, SAP help. See what a view, concept of a view, how many types of views are there. Once you do the practical, right, you can go through this theory so that you can understand more clearly, right, how the database view is created here. Database view. Okay. So next to help you, quickly we'll do it one help you. I don't know if it works or not. Not help you, projection view. Projection view on the single table. Single table, you can shorten the fields. Projection view. More. So there is some problem here. Okay. So this is not working in this system. Anyway, projection view not much ways. No need to think about this one. No? I'll show you another system later. Now go to the important view, maintenance view, to insert the data. Okay. This is used in real-time projects. Maintenance view, all SAP standard. It is the maintenance view here. Maintenance view. Maintenance view is used across the SAP configuration T codes for defining customizing data, not custom data, customizing data. Example, company code, right? Plant, company, storage location. So all these things will be created using the backend is maintenance view only. Maintenance view used to across SAP configuration T codes for defining customizing data. For example, company code, data, plant data, company data, storage location data. So all these places SAP uses the maintenance view. So I'll show you this in the system quickly. Okay. Suppose if I create a new company in SAP, right? Whenever new company is going to SAP, they'll create a new company. For that, they will go here, SEGW. Sorry, SPRO. SPRO here. Enter. Reference IMG. That here the SAP functional people will work every day. They do here the high level data definitions they will do here. Okay. Here, enterprise structure, definition. For example, you want to create a company. Okay. Logistics. Financial accounting. Define a company here. You see SAP backend skin, SAP created. The maintenance view only. How do you know? Suppose you want to create a new company. Click on new entries. Right? So you can press here. F1. Function F1. You'll get a pop-up here. Right? Technical details. Click on technical details. Right? You'll get a table name here. View name. Table name. This is a view. How do you know? starting with V underscore. Double click here. Take you to the maintenance view. See, this is maintenance view. Go to the table join conditions. This is the table. Go to the table. See the data type of the table. Sorry, what type of data you are storing. Customizing data. This is what I said. Customizing data. So all customizing data, right? Data stores in the through the maintenance view. The backend concept is maintenance view. Now I will create a new company here. Back. I can create new company. My company name is supposing MRA is 7. Company name. Right, white field. PO box. So I'm entering the information of the company. Bangalore. Now think 1 minute. The moment I click on save, what will happen? Think 1 minute. In general, whenever you enter information, after saving, after you click the save button, what will happen? What the process will happen? This all should be the interactive, right? So I mean, should be thinking. So should not just listen what I say. Should think. That is the concept of this learning. When I click on save, what will happen?
A new entry of company will be created.
Created where? Into database tables. That is the complete
Data.
sentence we should do it. All of you. You should be very clear of the concept. Okay, so that it will give the full impression to the interviewer, not only impression, this what you should be very clear. Data will be stored, that is a just off answer. You should tell that data will be stored in the respective database tables. Clear? Because every terminology speaks about our concept, our learning. Now, in which tables where you see the data? Which transaction code you use to see the data of the tables? Hello? Which transaction code we use to see the data of the standard tables? Hello? Which transaction code? Tables. For 1 month we are doing that only. Which transaction code? Can you hear me? Hello? Are you able to hear me or not? Hello? Please respond. No.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes
Yes.
or no? Yes, respond. I'm asking 3 times. Are you able to hear? Are you able to hear? Are you able to hear? So which transaction code the data will store? Sorry, where you see the data? S11 or not? Are you are observing the screen or you are not here?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
It's an
It should
absence.
be. Why we are like that? Very dull. S11 we are seeing right from day one. For last 1 month we are seeing that. Right? So go to here. right? You can find out that you can navigate from here again, right? Click on save. Save it. Right? You'll have the transport request. We'll see what is the transport request. This is a customizing request because you are doing customizing task. Enter. Right? Now to see the data, right? In which table it went, same thing. You should go to press F1 here. Right? Technical attributes here. Go to here. Double click here. It's a view. Double click here. It takes you to the maintenance view. This is the maintenance view. You can see the maintenance view. Click on table joint conditions. Right? Go to the table here. Double click here again. It goes to here. Here you can see the company code, data, contents. Right? Copy paste the company name what I have given here. Execute the data. Okay, so I'll stop here. You also practice this one. Create